Today, I'll take a question session first of all. Then, you have to listen to me carefully. You have to pay attention and you have to follow how I'm taking the question session. Have you got me? Okay. Then, after me, everyone has to come here one by one. Then, everyone has to take question session one by one. I have to keep in mind that you have to answer by using at least three sentences. How many sentences? How many sentences? For example, do you like tea? This is not the perfect answer. Okay, from today, everyone has to answer. Everyone has to say at least three sentences. How many sentences? At least, I mean, minimum three sentences. So, I'm gonna ask you again. Okay, please, you ask me. Do I like tea? Please ask me. Yes, I like tea. Especially, I like red tea because it makes me energetic, and when I feel sleepy, then I like to have tea. Have you got the answer right now? This is the system of answering any question. Okay, so then if I ask you, do you know English heaven? Then you have to add. Okay, please, you ask me the same question right now. Sir, do you know English heaven? Please. You ask me?
Sir, do you know English heaven?
Yeah, I know English Heaven. It's an English institution and it has both offline and online platform, and its offline office is situated in Cox's Bazar, Kalur Dukan is to be more exact. So it's a wonderful institution, it's a popular institution, it provides kids English, okay, spoken English I mean, then grammar. So I'm the founder of English Heaven. And but you have to say, and I'm the student of, or I'm a student of English Heaven. Have you got me? So how? Listen, try again. English. Yes, I know English Heaven. It's wait. Listen, just listen. Listen and try to develop your listening skill. Listen and take idea, please. Yes, I know English Heaven. It's an English institution and it provides a spoken English and grammar. So it has both offline and online platform, and its offline office is in Cox's Bazar. Kalur Dukan is to be more exact. So I'm a student of English Heaven. You have to think this way, okay? Okay, but I'll say I'm the founder and teacher of English Heaven. That's it. Have you got me? That means you can't use only one sentence from today. Okay? Because you have completed level 1. You are going to complete actually intermediate level, though you are babies right now. For example, there's a baby. Are you a baby?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I know that you are a baby. You are a cute baby. Okay, please. Okay, fine. So, listen, have you got me? Okay, now everyone has to ask me questions and just try to take idea how I'm answering your question. Okay? First of all, please you ask me one question, please.
What do you hope to do in the future?
What do I hope to do in my future? Actually, my future plan is actually to be a very popular teacher. I want to reach every persons of the country actually, because you know that my father was a teacher, so I want to be also a popular teacher so that everyone can miss me. Okay, after my dad. So I'm trying my best actually to reach to the heart of the people actually. So that's it. That's my thing. Thank you very much. Okay, please, you please. What's your question? Everyone has to close your sheet, please. What's your question, please? You look at me. What's your question?
What do you do?
What do I do? It's a nice question. Just try to understand. Okay. You ask again, please.
What do you do?
Yeah, what do I do? It's a nice question. What do I do? Yeah, I'm a student first of all, so I do my classes. Then, beside my study, I'm a teacher of English Heaven. So I take classes at English Heaven. I take offline classes and online classes as a teacher. And as a student, I go to my college and I do my classes. Okay, and within a very short time, I'm going to graduate myself from English department. Thank you very much for a nice question.
Thank you.
Very nice. Have you got me? This is the system. I'm going to teach you that how to ask question, how to take question, and how to answer question. Okay. Please, you. Do you have any question, please? Wait, wait. Hello, Mr. Handsome. Please, do you have any question?
Yes, sir. I have one question.
So I'm very excited to have your question, please. Listen. So I'm very excited. So I'm very interested to have your question. Tell me. So I'm very interested. Follow this, please. Please. You just follow the system. Yes, I'm very interested to have your question. So I'm very interested to have your question, please. What's your question?
What are you proud of?
Yeah, I'm proud of you because you are such a wonderful student of mine. So you are doing really great. So I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Actually, I'm proud to have a student like you. Thank you very much for a nice question.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you have to give compliment. Next one, please. Do you have any question?
Yes, sir. I have one question.
Please, I'm very interested to have your question, please.
Sir, what makes you happy?
What makes me happy? Yeah, traveling makes me happy, singing makes me happy, and teaching English makes me happy. Even, yeah, there is one thing actually that makes me happy, which makes me happy, and that is student feedback. If I get one standard video from you, that makes me happy actually. Okay, thank you very much for your nice question.
Thank you, sir.
Please, Mina, are you Mina?
Yeah, I'm Mina.
Oh, you're looking very pretty today. So, do you have any question to ask me?
Yes, I have one question.
You have to follow me that what kinds of sentences I'm using in the class right now. Okay, try again. Hello, Mina. Are you Mina?
Yeah, I'm a Mina.
You have to follow this system. Okay, hello. Chinese, come to me. You just sit down, please. Okay, sit down. No talking, okay? Okay? Keep quiet, please. Okay, listen. Listen, follow me again, please. Listen, look, look, look. Oh, yeah. Hello, hello. Are you Mina?
Yeah, I'm Mina.
Have you got the system? Listen again. So next one, please. Next one, please. Oh, yeah, please. You. Are you Mina?
Yeah, I'm Mina.
Oh, you're looking very pretty today. Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Okay, so do you have any question to ask me?
Yes, I have.
Please ask me your question, please.
How do you feel today?
Oh, I'm feeling very happy to have all of you together. Okay, so I'm very happy. Most importantly, actually, my mind is very well today, but I don't know what is the reason behind this. But I'm feeling very happy today. Okay, thank you very much for a nice question. Do you have any more question?
No, thanks.
Okay, it's my pleasure. You please. Do you have any question?
Yes, I have one question.
I have a one question. There is no need to use two words together. I have a one question, not sir. Yes, I have a question.
Yes, I have a question.
First of all, you have to keep a smiling on your face. Then you have to ask me what's your question, please.
I have a question.
So, what's your question?
Do you like cute baby?
No, my question is. Tell me, my question is.
My question is, do you like cute baby?
Do I like?
Cute baby?
Do I like cute baby? Of course, I like cute baby. You know that I'm a big fan of babies. I like babies. I like to care babies. You all are babies. Okay. For example, there's a baby beside you. I like her very much because she's very pretty. Are you pretty?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Do you believe that you're pretty?
Sir.
Yeah, absolutely. You're very beautiful girl. Most importantly, your eyes are very beautiful. So I like, of course, I like baby. Okay. Thank you very much. Please, you have any question?
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Please, will you ask me a question, please? I'm very excited to have your question.
My question is, do you go to college?
Of course, I go to college, but my classes have been finished actually, so that's why I don't go to college right now. But I'm taking preparation for my examination. Okay, thank you very much for a nice question.
Thank you.
Okay, next one, please. Do you have any question?
Yes, sir.
Please ask me.
Do you have school?
Do I have a school? Sorry, I don't. I don't have a school because you know that I've completed my school in 2017, so I don't have a school. But okay, that's it. Thank you very much for a nice question. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very nice. Next one, please. Do you have any question?
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Please ask me.
My question is, do you like English Heaven?
Of course, I like English Heaven because you know that I'm the founder and CEO of English Heaven. So I like it very much. It's my dream institution. I've established this institution after many hard works. So I like it very much. It's my dream institution and it's the result of my hard work. Okay, so I like it very much. Okay, thank you very much for the next question. Please, next one. Do you have any question?
Yes, I have questions.
Please ask me.
Do you like government?
Sorry.
Do you like ramen?
What? What do I like?
Ramen.
Women? What?
Ramen.
What?
Do you like spicy food?
Oh, do I like a spicy food? I don't actually have listened first time. I like a spicy food, but not much. I like it just a little bit, okay? Thank you very much, please. Hello, pretty girl. Do you have any question?
Yes, sir.
Please, I'm very excited to have your question, please.
Do you like listening to music?
Of course, I like because it's one of the passions of mine. So I like it very much. In my free time, I always try to listen music actually. Okay, I'm a big fan of listening to music. Do you like listening to music?
Yes, sir.
Only yes, sir. But why? You have to answer. Why? Yes, sir. I like. Yeah, you have to know this thing actually. Yeah, you can answer this question in this way. Yes, sir. I like listening to music because it makes me happy. It gives me pleasure. It refreshes my mind. Okay, listen. Repeat after me, please. Because it makes me happy. Everyone together, please. Because it makes me happy. It gives me pleasure. It refreshes me. It refreshes my mind. I ain't getting clear answer from you. It refreshes my mind. Okay, very nice. Next one, please. Do you have any question?
Yes, sir.
Please ask me.
Can you drive car?
Can you drive car? Sorry, I can't drive car, but I can ride motorcycle and cycle. Okay? Have you got the answer? Have you? She has asked me that, sir. Can you drive car? I'm answering this way. Sorry, I can't drive car, but because I have to add how many sentences? So that's why. Sorry, I can't drive car, but I can ride motorcycle and cycle because, but, but maybe after 1 year I'll learn driving car. Okay, thank you very much. Please, hello. Do you have any question?
Yes, sir.
Please ask me what's your question.
What's your... Sorry, sir.
Please ask me. Ask me one question. There are many questions. You just think one question, then ask me.
Okay, sir.
Just ask me one question, please.
Do you do you watch favorite English movie?
Do you watch? Is it a question? No. You tell me in Bengali. I'll make you this sentence, please. You tell me in Bengali. What's your question?
আপনি আপ- আপনি কি ইংলিশ মুভি দেখেন?
So, you tell me the English of the sentence, please. You tell me. Loud. Tell me again, please, loudly.
Do you watch English movies?
Have you got? Answer. Ask me, please.
Do you watch English movie?
What?
Do you watch English movie?
What did you say?
Do you watch English movies?
So, ask me, please. What's your question?
Do you watch English movie?
Not watch. It will be watch.
What?
Tell me, everyone. Watch. Ch. No, listen first. Ch. 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 Watch. Watch. Do you watch English movie? Do you watch? Do you watch? Do you watch English movie? Do you watch English movie? Please now ask me again.
Do you watch English movie?
Sorry, I don't watch English movie because you know that I don't have time to watch English movie right now. So but when I started my learning English, my journey actually in 2019, then I used to watch different kinds of English movie. Okay, very nice. Please, okay, please, you please. Do you have any question?
Yes, sir.
Please ask me what's your question.
When did go to school?
Sorry, what's your question?
When did go to college?
Sorry, it's a question. No, you try to make another question, please. Please ask me.
Do you like travel?
Do you like traveling?
Do you like traveling?
Yes, of course. I like traveling because traveling makes me happy. Traveling gives me pleasure, and it creates a way, an opportunity actually to know unknown and to meet new people. So that's why I like it very much. Thank you very much, Ida. Do you have any question?
Yes, I have many questions.
Okay, please you can ask me one by one.
Do you think this is a very beautiful and colorful classroom?
Of course, undoubtedly, I think that it's a very beautiful and colorful classroom because you know that everything of the classroom is decorated in standard way. So I think that the classroom is very colorful and beautiful, and it's a multimedia classroom. Okay, so there is air conditioner in our classroom, so that means the environment of the classroom is also very comfortable. So that's why I think that it's a perfect and colorful classroom. Thank you very much. Do you have any more question?
No, sir.
Okay, so please, you're the last two students, so please just try to ask me what's your question.
Do you love English heaven?
Of course, I love English even. You just write about this question. Try to make another standard question, please.
Why do you love English heaven?
No, try to make another question.
What is your proud of?
Sorry, no.
What is your proud of?
No, it's not a question. You try to ask me another question.
Uh,
Think and ask me. Think there are many questions, but you have to take the questions. Okay, in instance. Okay, please. You just try to. Of course, there are many questions. Hello, please. Ask me. What's your question?
what's your favorite color?
Is it a question? My favorite color is white because I think that it's a very beautiful color, and maybe every person maybe like this color, so that's why I like it also very much. Thank you very much. So have you got the system? You have to try to answer by using at least how many questions? Keep in mind. Thank you very much. I'm so tired right now, so please have a clap for the station.